in that game. And it's actually catching us from the aft. Cleared up, and then it started again. So everybody's getting a bagel. But that guy is actually fast. He'll clear that line out in no time. And then it turns into pizza. And you are not here. You are up there somewhere. Not up there in the sky, just on the deck. Got the roasted spicy tomato soup to start with. Chris got chicken and waffles. The big guy got eggs and sausage. Tabasco is there. Bacon. Oh, look at her. She's got her beignets. She's all happy.
Thank you, Christine.
God, the ship's all over the place.
So good.
So good. All right, I'm in the room and look who it is. It's Terry laying at the pool. Laying at the pool.
We're going to the Bonsai
Teppanyaki
dinner tonight. It's a special treat. It's going to be delicious. They cook right in front of your table. It's going to be great.
Yep, we'll bring it to you.
Yeah.
Right about.
It's one of my favorites.
No. You do?
Where our elephant was elevated, so I made sure nobody was coming. You know me in pictures.
You're like me. I love it. I love it.
The second one is pork belly with yakiniku sauce, deep fried asparagus, and seaweed salad. Okay? I'm gonna distribute it. Sorry.
Yeah, all right.
Thank you.
Tuna, pork belly.
Driveway was just inches of ice. Even once it started thawing, our garage was a shadow across.
And we got it.
Step outside and you just see
Right.
No. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Keep her happy and you know it. Clap her hands. Keep her happy and you know it. And you really want to show it. Keep her happy and you know it. Clap her hands. Keep her happy and you know it's not your friend.
This is my second time. And I heard this on YouTube just last night. Alright. Very fast internet and opa. And one more at the back. 1, 2, and 3. Nothing but 10. 3 points. And here comes the helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter. Like this. Watch it out. Hey, Alice. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. One more fire now. More fire. And more. Fresh eggs all the way from Angry Birds. Yeah, Angry Birds. Angry Birds. Alright. Vegetable oil. Eggs ready now. Okay, first egg. You say my egg right round and round. You go down, you go down, down. Whoppa! Alright. Is this a real egg? Or a hard-boiled egg? Okay, let's find out. Here we go. 1, 2, real egg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. 7, 11. And higher. Oh! It's an egg drop soup. 14, 15, 16, 17. I don't know what to speak. 3 eggs, yes or no? Yes! Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh, pag-gangnam style. Sexy lady. Alright. So later, if you find your fried rice crunchy, yeah, that is eggshell. Miss Anna. Yeah, this is my friend Anna. Anna Honda. Hello, is it me you're looking for? Cheat day. And my secret ingredient, Diet Pepsi. Ah, not Pepsi. Diet Coke, Diet Coke. No more Pepsi on board. Rice, baby. You broke a whale. I want a trail. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Alright, and so I saw you. Shine bright like a diamond. Okay, Dorito, I'm in love with the shape of you. Oh wow, looks nice. Okay, yeah. Corazon. And this is Bon Jovi, my spatula. And shot to the heart. And you're too big, darling, we give love of that day. Ma'am Christine, smoke. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. On water. Vegetable oil. Alright, hallelujah. Dami man gasolina, dami man gasolina. Bacardi, we gotta ignite the light and let it shine. I don't know the lyrics. Alright, there you go, 4th of July. Hey, come on, come on. Ole, 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 ole. Ole, ole. The roof is on fire. We don't. Last four. Last three.
It's up in the mountains where everybody goes
This is
skiing.
your dessert now. They changed it from the little box thing.
Oh, yes, the bento box. I'm used to the box.
See, that's
Okay, where are we going?
we're not going, we're already here. We're at the comedy show. It's 2 comedians. So we're going to do this, and then after this, I think that it's the newlyweds.
Love and marriage.
Oh, Love and Marriage. There you go. He's got it right. What's your
Right. Getting late. We were going to go to the Love and Marriage show, but the line was halfway through the shift.
It was so long. I've never seen a line for a
Never.
show this long.
So we decided not to
And there
go.
was still 30 minutes before the doors opened.
Yep.
It was a lot.
Yep. So anyway, we're going to go to bed early tonight because I got up, because I'm the nice husband. I got up at 6 o'clock this morning, went out to the pool, got her a chair, and there were already people there.
Yeah, they get up early.
It's an older cruise,
Old people
and these
get
people
up
get up
early.
early, really early. All right, so anyway, so tomorrow is St. Martin, and we think we're just going to go on the beach or just go walk around for a little bit. So we'll bring that to you. And then, on the way to bed,
Cheers, because we're doing our martini, chocolate martini. We drink them
Yep.
because they are
good.
good. And they relax you so much.
Yep. So anyway,
Cheers.
Yep, so we'll see you in the morning. And oh, by the way, it's been rough. Everybody's walking around here like it's drunk.
It's kicking you all over the place.
Yep. So, all right. See you in the morning.
Night.
Bye.